Are you having issues with Face ID and it's not working as it should after you've updated to iOS 26? This video will cover 5 different solutions for this problem. So follow my steps and watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. The first thing which we want to do is to open the Settings app on our phone and then hop over to our General section. Once we're in the General section, scroll down towards the bottom of this page until you see this Transfer or Reset iPhone option. You're going to click on this Reset option and then Reset All Settings. What this option does is put all of your iPhone settings back to the way they were when you first got the phone. Things like your saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, wallpapers, notifications, and Face ID settings will all be reset. Your photos, apps, and videos stay safe. Nothing gets deleted. This can help with Face ID because after a big update like iOS 26, some of the settings can get messed up or corrupted. Resetting everything gives your iPhone a fresh start, and that often clears out the glitch that was stopping Face ID from working the right way. Step number 2 that we want to do is to go back to our main settings page. I'll open the General section one more time, and then let's hop over to the Software Update page. We need to check if we have any pending software updates from Apple, and if you see one, just go ahead and update iOS 26 to the latest version which you see here. New updates usually contain bug fixes and performance improvements for your device, so updating should fix the issues which you had with the Face ID sensor. After you've done this step, I recommend that you force restart or hard reset your iPhone, which can also solve some issues and some problems which you have with a lot of different options. Not just Face ID, we can force restart our mobile phone by quickly pressing the volume up button, then press volume down. After that, press and long hold the power button at the right side of your phone, and do not let the power button until you see the Apple logo appear over your screen. So volume up, then volume down, and then long press the power button for maybe 15 to 20 seconds. When the Apple logo appears over your screen, you can easily let go of the side button, and then the iPhone will be force restarted. Go ahead and check if Face ID works now. The next fix which I have for you is to restart your Face ID feature from within the Settings app. So what I will do is I will open the main settings page on iPhone, scroll down until you see the Face ID and passcode section, and then tap on it to open it. You will see a little option that's called Reset Face ID or something like that. And you want to tap on that option in order to remove your past faces, and then just go ahead and set up Face ID once again. So scan your face, follow the on-screen instructions, and then see if this step solves your problem. So lock the device and try to scan your face and see if it unlocks our iPhone. The final thing that you can do if the previous 4 steps aren't working is to clean your Face ID sensor and remove your phone case. Sometimes the case can block the sensors without you realizing it. Go ahead and take the case off completely. After that, grab a soft cloth and gently wipe down the front camera area, because even a small smudge or a bit of dust can stop Face ID from recognizing you. Also, if you're using a screen protector or tempered glass, check to make sure it isn't cracked or covering the sensor. If it is, that could be the reason Face ID isn't working properly after the update. Once you've cleaned everything up, try Face ID again and see if it unlocks your phone the right way. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Face ID issues after updating to iOS 26. Hopefully one of these steps worked for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to App Tutor for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.